Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another restaurant remake here. Today I'm making the most famous and most popular fried chicken wings at the Chinese takeout. Is your mouth watery yet? Because mine is. Check out this recipe. Now don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video at the end. So let me show you how to make this fried chicken wings recipe like you always order at the Chinese takeout. Okay, here are the ingredients to make our fried chicken wings Chinese takeout style. Alright, we're gonna prepare our seasoning and marinating sauce for our chicken wings. So it's not a very super wet marinated sauce here, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add our black pepper. So you're gonna really add everything, basically. And we have our white pepper powder. Garlic powder. Sugar. Salt. Okay, right now I like to give it a good mix here first. All right, our soy sauce. The Shaoxing cooking wine. Okay, crack an egg. Okay, go ahead and mix this all up. All right, so essentially this is what we're gonna marinate our chicken wings. All right, so we're going to add this into my chicken wings. You're gonna just pour this in. Okay, so we're gonna massage each of the chicken wings here. Make sure it's fully coated. So you're gonna get your hands really dirty here. All right, so now we're gonna add our cornstarch as well as our flour. All right, so massage them really well. Now go ahead and directly put the chicken wings into a container when you're doing this because you have to marinate them, and I prefer them doing it overnight so then it really marinate into the chicken wings. Okay, put on the lid, marinate overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and we're gonna fry them. All right, so after marinated yesterday, our chicken wings for overnight, okay, so you can see it's a bit wet, okay? So if this is the case, we're gonna add more flour and cornstarch. So I had added 2 tablespoons of regular flour previously and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You're gonna do the same consistency, basically, okay? So I'm gonna add another tablespoon of cornstarch here, and then 2 tablespoons of flour, all right, because it's still wet. All right, so again, mix this really good here. All right, so if you think it's still a little bit moist, we can continue to add the flour. All right. So as long as there's a good batter that kind of like stick to the skin of your wings, that is fine. That's what you want, right? You don't need to be all flour, okay, completely dry. That's not what we're looking for. All right, so we just want a lightly battered, coated on our chicken wings, and then that's good. All right, so we're ready to do the deep frying. Okay, so we have our fryer ready at 325 degrees and the ready lights is here. I'm gonna set my timer here first, a little bit over 5 minutes. All right, so essentially I'm gonna put 2 chicken wings at a time because you want to have a good, decent space with them. All right, so 5 minutes the first round. Remember, when you're frying something like this, you always want to deep fry it twice in order to be crispy. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and see what's the official results. Okay, so after frying the initial batch, now we're gonna go for round 2. Round 2, I turn up the heat to 375. And once it's ready, okay, the lights is on. It's ready for the second frying. Again, 2 at a time. Give it plenty of space here. Close this and lower it. And we're gonna fry it for 4 minutes this time. Now I'm ready for the taste test with these gloves that you sometimes get, you know, when you eat fried chicken. But let's dig in. All right. Ooh, look at this piece. Oh, so juicy in there. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go for it. Mmm. Man, it's good. So moist. And the reason that you want to leave it overnight is to like marinate the chicken. Like when you take a bite of the chicken, you can definitely taste the marinated, the flavor, the salt, the pepper. Oh, it's so good. I have to say, I will no longer buy fried chicken wings at my local Chinese takeout store anymore, because this is the bomb. So definitely check out this recipe, watch this recipe again. Give me a thumbs up right now and save this video and share this video with your friends and family who orders Chinese takeout fried chicken wings. If you enjoyed this video on my fried chicken wings of the Chinese takeout, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest video update. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.